going?
Boo Boo, Grandma and Grandpa got something for you, buddy.
It's a present, Boo. You ready to see it? Present.
What's that?
Present. It's
Present.
a penguin. Just like Happy Feet.
Uh-oh. Can you pick him up?
Uppy uppy. Push his wing, Boo Boo, or bring it to Mama. Mama helps. Mama helps. Okay, ready? Penguin.
Look out. Up. You knocked him over.
He's coming to get wired. Happy Feet. Yeah. Okay, you push a button right here, baby. There you go. Push hard. I love you. Yeah. He's a cute penguin. Penguin. Bye-bye, penguin. We shall call him P.T. the penguin. There you go. Press hard. Yeah. P.T. the penguin. He's coming to get you. P.T. the penguin.
He's like Mumble, buddy. He likes to dance and waddle.
Press real hard. Daddy helps.
You want Daddy to help? Penguin. Hey, buddy, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you say thank you? You. Can you say Grandma and Grandpa? And Grandma? Can you say Grandma?
He's putting Petey on. Smile, smile. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. I love my
Pick him up.
Hey, Petey, that was I love my new penguin.
You gonna push him around? You gonna push him into Nigel?
Petey is like, whatchamacallit?
You got it? Look at you go,
There
buddy.
you go. Who laughs, you know? Not Ernie, Greg, the Sesame Street character.
No idea.
You know the giggly one that we have?
Tickle me, Elmo.
Yeah, Elmo. Yeah, Petey's like Elmo. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's safe to say that Petey the penguin's a hit.
You knocked him over.
You gotta push his wing again, Boo Boo. Yeah, push his wing some more, and he'll dance for you. Penguin, there you go.